Hibiscus tea also acts like nature's chill pill. While its tart flavor wakes up your palate, the compounds inside actually help calm your nervous system. Animal research shows that hibiscus extract has sedative and antidepressant-like effects, reducing anxious behavior and increasing sleep duration. Traditionally, hibiscus has been used for thousands of years to soothe nerves and promote rest. If you struggle with stress, racing thoughts, or sleepless nights, hibiscus is a gentle, warm way to unwind and improve your mood naturally.